supposed to be over here if I can't go up there?
Now is the time to heal that little boy or little girl in you. You are now free to be what God designed you to be. They were trying to break the greatness in you. They already saw that in you before that vision came to your view. Remember that. When life takes me through my pains and struggles, I turn to the Creator, and He answered and said, "And the Lord said unto Joshua, Fear not, neither be thou dismayed. Take all the people of war with thee, and arise, go up to Ai," spelled A-I. "See, I have given into thy hand the king of Ai, and his people, and his city, and his land. And thou shalt do to Ai and her king as thou didst unto Jericho and her king. Only the spoil thereof shall ye take for a prey unto yourselves. Lay thee an ambush for the city behind it." Thank you, Lord, for the word. Thank you, Creator, for your presence and your blessings through my pains and struggles.